Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video we're going to talk how to fix issue on your YouTube channel if it says this channel does not have any contact. If you click on your YouTube channel at home screen, it shows this channel does not have any contact. To fix this issue, you have to log in your YouTube account on PC, MacBook, or any desktop computer. So let's start how to fix it. I am already in my account, so simply click on your account, then click on my channel. Then at home screen you see this channel does not have any contact. Then click on Creator Studio. At left corner, front of YouTube, click on my channel. Then at the screen, all the way down, you see add a section. Click on add a section. Then you see there's two options. It says contact and layout. And the contact, you click on contact, it shows you multiple options. So you can choose any one. I choose uploads and layout. I'm choosing horizontal. So you can choose from two options, horizontal and vertical. I'm choosing horizontal, then click on done. That's it, I'm done. Now I go back on my internet browser, click on YouTube, open YouTube, then click on my account, then my channel. And at the home screen, now it shows my videos, whatever I have uploaded at home screen. That's all we done. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.